It is September 13, 2025, Psalm 13:3. From the rising of the sun to its setting, the name of the Lord is to be praised. So, yesterday, didn't record. Today is Saturday. So, I'm just going to record what I did yesterday. Yesterday, I did. This is one trade. I had two take profits, and then this could have been a legendary play, but let's get into it. So, daily bias, of course, was hella bullish. Hella bullish. Gosh dang, son. Yeah, hella bullish. The day was bullish. The 4 hour was bullish. 1 hour was bullish. Everything was bullish. Um, took this was my first trade, so you already know. Our fair value gaps, previous highs and lows. And then what did I do? I did a short, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Shorted from here to here. Let's look at why I did that. Where is it? Right here. So, right here, I had a 5 minute fair value order block right there, and then liquidity was swept like this. Boom, boom. And then I was just looking for a break of structure in the 1 minute, and then do. Um, right here. I was like, what the hell? Still not there. Okay. So I was looking for a break of structure going down. So liquidity sweep hit the Asian highs, and then I was waiting for it to reverse or show signs of continuing the uptrend. This right here made a lower low, so that made me confident. Bought in right here. Had my stop loss above this low, or high, you could say. And then I cashed out at previous liquidity. At this previous liquidity. Boom, right here. I had two take profits there. And I did that play was pretty freaking solid. 2.25 risk to reward. And then I was just over analyzing. I was bored because I was like 4 minutes, 3 minutes, $400. So I'm like, okay, let's see where else I could get into the market. So I saw liquidity was swept, and then I also noticed this line. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong line. This line, as you can see, this was the all-time high, and then it went down into this hour fair value gap. Then it bounced up. Then it bounces, and it keeps hovering around this. So this isn't a previous session high. This is like I don't even know what the hell. It just seems like price for the past 2 days hovering around it. As you could see, kept going around it. So my thing was, um, so that's a trade I just said. And then, oops, this trade, I was trying to short. This was a silly trade. I don't know why I tried shorting because there was no break of structure. It just tapped this. So I'm like, oh, yes, we're going to go down. And yeah, I really don't know why I did that. I was just trigger happy with it. So I lost 200 on that one, 225. And then this one, same thing. It touched this, did not even break structure, and then I bought right in. But then this one, I'm like, okay, This is all-time highs. There's no way it's gonna keep going up. And like, I guess my psychology with it was right. It's just I bought in too early. So over here I got stopped out of. If I bought in right here, bro, look at this. This is that line that it keeps getting, price keeps getting attracted to it. Like, that would have been a beautiful play. It's just I bought in too early, or my stop loss was too high, which I think it was like this, or Loki might have. I think it was actually that. Yeah, I was trying to be crazy. No, because then I would have got stopped out there. It was like something like this, like crazy RIR. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it though. So goofed up on those two, but this was a pretty decent play if I were to bought a bit early later. I think what I did to make it smarter was I did not wait for a break of structure. So if I waited for a break of structure, either on the 5 minute, maybe, like I could have made profit, I guess, like 97. Yeah, like that's decent. That would have made like another 400, but I was kind of aiming for previous liquidity, even though this is weird line. Um, yeah, if I waited for, so this would have technically been breaking the structure because this is a lower low, and then this made a higher high. Yeah, I think a lot of people might have got stopped out there, honestly. Where else? So higher low, kind of a lower low. You could say that broke structure, but I feel like a lot of people would have bought on this. Hella got stopped out of. Hella stopped out. Broke hella structure. But if you didn't buy there, then you probably could have bought like this instead. Boom. Have your stop loss above that. Boom, right there. Like, that would have been a beautiful play. Beautiful. Yeah, that's just something I gotta look out for. I gotta be more careful because this could have easily have just done this the same thing. Like, it could have done all of this right here. You know what I mean? Um, but instead it went up, boop, 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 and then it did it. So if it went down here, I would have been like, oh, I should have bought right here when it broke the structure. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's it for today. Monday will be better. God bless.